Welcome back to the show, guys. Today we are looking at Hot Wheels and lots of cool things that came in the mail today. I'm just going to start off by showing you in advance what we're looking at, so you're not watching the whole video wondering. This is what we're looking at today. Damn, boys, what do we got here? This is in the box, and I had just finished filming this video. Booyah! Now I gotta find another regular. Check it out. Chase car. Here are the boxes that everything came in, and I've opened up all 5 of them as well to see what we've got in here. We've got Hot Wheels Car Culture 2-packs. That was a sealed box of 8. And we've got Hot Wheels 90s Street Scene Silver Series. Oh my goodness, we got Chase in there, Nissan Skyline GTR. And that was a sealed case as well, along with the 90s Street Machines. We got new M2, Tomica, Toyota Hilux. Oh yeah, check out all these M2 trucks. Vintage, I call it vintage, but it's not really old at all. It's just older, unavailable, out of print, I suppose. Team Transport and Car Culture 2-packs from a few years ago. And that is just some of what you're going to see in this video. Well, it's just another day here at the residence, getting some die-cast delivered, thanks to UPS and Precision, who drive an unmarked car. All right, let's go into the die-cast museum and see what on earth we've got in the boxes. Boxes, boxes, boxes everywhere. All die-cast. What do you think, Neeners? Are you excited to see what's in the boxes? I am. Could we possibly have more boxes? Oh my. It looks like it. And yes, indeed, the kind fella did have one more box for me. Said his day wasn't going well. I said, I sure hope it gets a little better. And, you know, spread that kindness wherever you can. All right, guess what? We're down in the Diecast Museum, and I have gone ahead and sort of cleaned up these boxes just a smidge. I have not yet opened them and removed the contents yet. Most of these were bagged in those whitish gray rain protective bags, and this is how they were sent to me. Otherwise, just looks like Hot Wheels sealed boxes. And then, of course, I've got some mixed boxes as well. So, like I had said in my last video, the Hot Wheels 2006 Cold Storage Mystery Unboxing, I am working on completing my Hot Wheels Car Culture 2-packs and Team Transport. I think I've got, at least on the way now, every single 2-pack, with the exception of any extremely rare exclusives that might be out. Oh, I see a dinged corner now. That really bums me out. I'm buying 2 of some of these cars that I never got, and this being one of them. I hope the second one doesn't have a bummed up corner, because I really don't want to have one in terrible condition, and it is kind of crappy, but they are getting older. Oh, it's not the same one. Thank goodness. Okay, so that's one set, and then I've got a second set. Ah, look at that. Another bummed up corner. What on earth? Anyways, it's not that bad. It'll have to do. I've had some of these arrive where the plastic is completely shattered. Cardboard's all bent and twisted, and it wasn't described as such in the advertisement of the listing on eBay. Like, look at that. What on earth? Anyways, gotta kind of make do, because these are not brand new anymore, and what year? 2020. So these are been kicking around someone's basement for 5 years, and then they've just gone and traveled at least once all the way across North America to get to me. So I guess a few soft corners are going to be expected. I don't really know why I bothered with the duplicate. I could have just kept the card art, used some degluifier solvent to just carefully remove it. Then I could have kept the artwork and the cars instead of buying doubles of everything, but that's just how I roll. So that's one box full of those 2 packs, which are precariously stacked. Oh, yeah, that's how they get bent corners. That's how it happens, guys. All right, we're going to move on to the next box. And this one is just a mixture of things from another seller. And these ones came really well protected. Look at this thing. Johnny Lightning, Big Daddy's Towing. Wow, I would have bought 2 of these if they weren't like $25 US a piece, which is, whew. I mean, if you can find these in your local store, God bless you. God bless you. I would love to be able to find these in my local store. Check this out. Auto World Jacquard Diecast. Got the square body Silverado here. And it has a tin shipping container. Kind of popping right out of the artwork. I love it. I'm not going to be able to open this because this is so nice. And again, this was not cheap. It's like 50 bucks right there. American, it's like $80 Canadian. And then again, look at this. Appears to be some sealed boxes. More Hot Wheels stuff that I've been looking for. That's definitely Team Transport 957D. So we'll have to get that opened up. This one has been opened. You can see the tape has been double taped, at least on the top. And, well, this one maybe not. Oh, yeah, it's got double tape. So that one's been opened before as well. All right, let's get those opened up, and then we'll take a look at the sealed cars, see what's in there. I'm not going to review what's in these guys because this is just kind of a doorway mystery unboxing sort of find. I'm not going to actually do the whole video on every one of these cases. That would take too long. Plus, we got Team Transport, Car Culture 2-packs. Those are going to be getting a very special video in the future where I'm going to basically just tear out one after another car from these packages with you guys. And we're going to set them up in the display. More than likely on this wall here. That's what all those expansion spots are for, is more car culture. Got all of the premium Hot Wheels that I've been collecting over the last few years here. Mostly Fast and Furious, Car Culture, Boulevard. And that's just like an assortment of older stuff. All right, let's go ahead and open up the double taped boxes first. See what is in here. And I have no idea. Be careful here doing this one-handed. You don't want to cut through into the contents. Oh, this is so difficult one-handed, but it's doable. That's a good old virgin box there, but clearly not. You can see it's full of, well, this is a Mattel box, and we've got M2, Sunny Days, Vans. These are all going to be in an upcoming review video on my M2. So, you will see these all out of the package as well. Sierra 1500. What else we got in here? These are well packed. Look at that. Oh, yeah. What is that? 73 Chevy K5 Blazer with the suitcases and luggage up on the roof. That's a beauty. So many nice M2s, guys. I've just gone a little crazy for M2 lately. Look at this one. Another K5 Blazer. This is a 74 with a snowplow. Yellow and white commercial rims. So much cool stuff. That's not a Hot Wheels box. What's in the next box? Now, this might not be Team Transport after all. Let's have a look-see. Oh, it's got a nice little thank you on it. Isn't that nice? Yeah, okay. All right, whoa. Yeah. Pardon that. Pardon that. Okay, it is Team Transport. Yes. This is what I needed. Some of these Team Transports. This is kind of what we're looking for. Let's look at the condition. Liberty Walk. Look at that. It's got the like mainline Hot Wheel card art on the back of that. Isn't that neat? This is number 44. It's in great condition. Fleet Street and Super Silhouette. That'll complete my need for 2 of those. I've got 1 somewhere else. This is also in good shape. Now, it really doesn't matter because these are going to get ripped open in a future video. Secura Sprinter, number 45. So back when these cars were hitting the market and they were hard to come by at the Walmarts, they were usually hoarded. And I was paying like $30, $35 for them at the local Diecast store anyways, instead of, $18, $20 at Walmart. But I was only buying 1 at a time. I really didn't have the finances to be buying 2 copies. And also I didn't have a vision for what I was going to do with 2 copies. I thought I'll just keep them on the wall, display them. And, well, here, let's go look. I was just going to keep them like this, just displayed up on the bulkhead. I got them all the way back to number 1. And I was just going to do that and nothing more. But I quickly ran out of room on the bulkhead, and they've since crept around the corner. So if we go all the way around the corner, we're up to, what, 17, 18... Lighting is very all over the place. Then we come on down through this additional room, and we've got 19, 20 through 24. Up and over the doorway into the throne room, and we've got 25. I'm missing 26. I've got that on order, 2 of them actually. 27, 28, and that was it. That's all I could fit. And what number of Team Transport are we up to currently in the collector world of Diecast? Luckily, I've been buying them in duplicate since, while they're still relatively cheap. They're cheapest when they're new, and we are at, I don't know what we're at. Where are we? This is all just piles and piles of Team Transport. I'm pretty sure we're up into the 70s. There's 62 right there. So I've got the higher numbers buried, actually. Back to the beginning. Oh, maybe we can get a read on that one. There it is. That's the newest one. They've got the yellow Hot Wheels premium, whatever. It's like 70 something. Quite high, quite an expensive collection to go back on, especially those first 20 cars. And oh yeah, I did go ahead and buy one of these Tomica. Look at this thing. The Hilux Tomica Limited Toyota. Awesome. 1/64 scale. Can't wait to look at that. Toyota Hilux 4-wheel drive pickup. I think that was like $35. Look how small it is, but 1/64 scale. And I didn't know if I needed this. I paid about $10 for this silly car, and I actually already have one. So $10 for a $1 car. Definitely one of the harder ones to find, though. That little 73 Honda Civic Custom, and that was from 2023. So, okay, we got 3 more boxes to open up. Let's see what's in those. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's in these. Now, I've already gone ahead and cut the tape on these boxes, but that's all I've done. Now, this one is, oh yeah, look at that. This is the new one. Holy smokes. Sealed pack. I should have saved this one for a different video. Doesn't matter. There's no chases in them. Sealed pack of the newest Car Culture 2-packs. And there is the Porsche 993 GT2 and the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4. Well, we all know what that looks like. I mean, everyone's probably looking for these in the stores. Hopefully you can find them. This is a sealed case. So in a sealed case, you actually get, I think 3 of these. I'm not really sure, actually. It's just, no, you don't. You get 3 of this one. Wasn't that weird? Oh, no, you get 3 of each. So this was a really good deal. You only get 2 of the trucks. And the trucks are probably my favorite, actually. And, of course, typical with all Car Culture 2-packs, one of these vehicles is available somewhere in the Boulevard or Car Culture singles lineup. So really only the pink truck is new. 75 Datsun Sunny. Okay, we're not going to stack all those up that way. So there's another one of those. We got 2 of those. 3 Porsches, and then we got 3 of these. I think I bought one of these at Walmart too. I don't need, so I'm gonna have to return that one now that I've got 3 of them in here. Probably could do a little trade deal with really Diecast too, given these are brand new. Maybe they got some older stuff I can trade in. One of these Primo 2-packs that are definitely going to be impossible to find right now in the stores. I'm not going to find them here in Aurelia, that's for sure. What else we got? That's not enough of a dopamine hit? Come on, man. Come on. How much dopamine do you need? I have to ask myself. What do we got here? This looks pretty sweet. This is like a 2-pack of these. Oh, see, there's plastic's all broken on this thing already. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna open up one of these Hot Wheels. These are the Silver Series 90s Street Scene 95 Toyota Celica GT4. Look at that. Full tampoage. Okay, I said I wasn't doing a review here. Let's turn into a review. Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. Sweet. Well, think of it as a preview. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. Oh, yeah, 96 Nissan 180 SX Type X. So, guaranteed, if these ever hit my local store, ain't no chance in hell I'm going to find them. 92 Honda Civic EG. Because I ain't the guy there at 7 a.m. busting through the door to get to the diecast section every single day, and then going back every 2 hours to check on it. So therefore, that series will be impossible to collect. Good thing to buy it while it's new and fresh. Online, the only way to get it. We've got 1 box left. Just gonna make some room here with all my hoard of sweet diecast. Diecast hoard. The diecast hoard is thick, guys, I tell you. Oh my goodness. Stay focused. Stay focused. I say to myself, what do we got here? Oh, let's just take a gander at a couple of them. Look at that. Subaru Forester STI. Okay. 1990 Mercedes-Benz in Zamac. What else we got in here? Nissan Skyline GTR. This is the G-Ready. Giretti. The Giretti version. Oh, you bessin'. Check it out. Another Nissan Skyline. Look at this thing. Covered in the graffiti. Nice crisp card art. Now, these cars probably will all be available in like a 25 or a 30 pack at the end of the year. Nissan Sil 80. So I don't know if I'm actually going to open these. I might wait until I can get my hands on the 30 pack. But then again, why did I buy duplicates of everything? Now, I try to buy a sealed case where possible. That's the best case scenario, because in the past I've always opened up one of these and not waited for the big multi-pack. The multi-pack is not cheap either, so it's just a giant box with all the cars of the whole year in it, but still quite expensive. Anyways, that's the whole video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Sneak peek, sort of monthly haul video. If you're after anything, happy hunting. Hope you find it. See you in the next video.